away with another self-care moment. This is strictly for my shower takers, those who really don't have the time or don't consider themselves a person that, like, I can't sit in the tub. Again, I operate on all of my senses: taste, smell, vision, and hear and touch. So as you can see, I'm always going to have an oil burner going on because it creates a zen for me. It's my smell, it's my calm, it's my peace. And lavender is a really good stress reliever. You're going to find it in so many products, especially Dr. Teal's lavender Epsom salt. I love it. Big shout out to Dr. Teal's. Better Homes and Gardens, which you can find these in Walmart. I overload on the waxes, and that's what's burning right now. This is lavender and lemonade. So they make one that's called eucalyptus, and you can find these in Walmart, and you can even find them in a Dollar Tree. I don't know if it would be Better Home and Gardens or so in Dollar Tree, could be, but I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. However, Better Home and Gardens have this one with eucalyptus and mint, or just eucalyptus. So for my shower takers, what I highly recommend that you do, something that's inexpensive and affordable, you can always go get an oil burner for $1 at the Dollar Tree. You can also get the tea lights at the Dollar Tree, a little small pack. Or you can go to Walmart and buy the huge pack. I buy the huge pack because, again, I'm visual and I love candles and I'm a candle burner. So me buying a small pack makes no sense for me. You get tea lights, you can buy those. $2 so far, $3. Get some eucalyptus. While you know that you're getting ready for your day or you're about to go to bed, it's really great to wind down at the end of a long day to go ahead, take your oil burner, tea light, get a cube of your eucalyptus Better Home and Gardens, put it on there, close the door, and let this start burning till it's all the way burnt down. Make sure it's burnt. Close the door to your bathroom, make sure it's melted all the way. Then go ahead and start your shower with hot water. Start the hot water first, let it steam up, go down to then turn the hot water down to the temperature that you can stand to take your shower, and you start inhaling this eucalyptus wax, this eucalyptus smell that's permeating and penetrating and wafting through the air, and this will immediately relax and relate and release you and calm you and get all of the stress off of you. Take care of yourself.